Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only, and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Overnight, the Australian dollar remained to a relatively bullish tone as the market looks back towards that top side challenge that was previously witnessed on Friday. In light of the pattern, I feel there is still upside potential, and if the market can close above 69.55, along with that, keep an eye on this 60-day moving average, which is seen roughly around 69.74, then we could see further gains that could promote a rise up towards 70.65 to 71 cents. Looking at the euro, while the market was a little bit flat, as I would say, over the last 5 trading days, little has been changed or achieved. Due to the fact is that the market's most probably not taking any fresh positions ahead of the US Federal Open Market Committee meeting that commences on Tuesday and wraps up on Wednesday in New York, or we get an update on Thursday at 4 a.m. Sydney time. This will be followed by a statement. Along with that, in 30 minutes after, at 4:30 Sydney time, the US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell will take 30 minutes of question and answers. While 75 basis point rate hike looks likely from the FOMC, this is most probably been priced in, so it's unlikely to see any fresh uptake, that is, to the US dollar. However, that being said, if we find that the US central bank is more to a dovish in its statement or to its questions, and the fact is that it feels it might want to sort of take a step back instead of hiking rates aggressively, then we could see the dollar drop, which is anticipated by myself, and therefore could see further rises for the euro. If we do clear this level, seen around 102.7080, then I'm expecting to see a rise up towards 104 as a potential target. And along with that, this is where the downtrend comes in. If I just close this up a little bit, you can see it's quite a broad downtrend, and therefore it looks for that challenge. Moving on to dollar yen, well, the market seems to have paused slightly in its recent down test and trading around 136.40. In light of the pattern, I still feel there is further guidance to the downside and look towards this uptrend, which comes in around 134.60.90. However, since the retreat from those highs around 139 to where we are, I feel the market might start taking a little bit of profit only in the short term, or more to the point, reassess if we get closer towards this 134.60.90 in case we see another correction that could take us up to 141. Sterling still gaining its trek to the upside and still holding towards that top side objective around 121.60.70, which is where this downtrend is. Market has near enough cleared the level around 120.5. So I feel in light of the pattern, there is further gains in store and therefore look towards that top side challenge. As again, like with most of the markets, this is quite a significant downtrend. And as you can see, close to around 121.60.70 for that challenge. The market for gold was a little bit to the sideways trading as it holds above the region of 1,714.18. As we hold above this level, I still maintain a view up towards 1,742 to 46 and reassess from there. In light of a break of 1,714 would negate the top side and instead reinstate the target of 1,686 to 91. Wrapping up with oil, well, the market seems to have found or recognised that support level around 92.20.40. After taking the challenge there overnight, pretty much a strong bounce came through. And from that rejection, we could see now a rise up towards 96.80.90. And beyond there, sees little resistance until around $99. So let me just bring this down to around 99 to get a bit of an idea. In light of the pattern, we could start seeing a bit of a downtrend coming here, as you can see drawing in. So initially, the resistance comes in roughly around 96.80.90, and then from there, let's see if we can get a break or another rejection and see the market take it back to 92.20.40. In light of how the market's looking, well, we can see it's more to the bearish side, even though we did see a bounce, as the ADX is trading to a bear case. The RSI is holding underneath the midway point and also a weak MACD, so therefore gives little merit for any further gains beyond 96, 80, 90, maybe an opportunity to shorten the market and see another down test. Well, that wraps it for the morning. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out the intraday pull, and I hope you enjoyed a great start to the day.